Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Dr. Sidhu Physics Tutorial. In this session, we are going to discuss the new concept, electric dipole. What is meant by electric dipole? Electric dipole is nothing but of a system of two charges which are separated by a small finite distance, and also these two charges are equal in magnitude and opposite in nature. That means such a combination is called electric dipole. For example, let us consider a 2 points A and B in the space. At A, I place a negative charge Q, and at B, I place a positive charge plus Q. These two charges are equal in magnitude and they are opposite in nature, and these are separated by a distance 2L. Such a combination of two charges is called electric dipole. Electric dipole. Okay, the distance between the A and B, AB is called length of the dipole. Length of the dipole. The length of the dipole is a vector quantity and its direction is from minus Q to plus Q. This is about electric dipole. Electric dipole is nothing but of a system of two charges which are equal in magnitude and opposite in nature. They are separated by a finite distance. Such a combination is called electric dipole, and the distance between the minus Q and plus Q is called length of the dipole. Length of the dipole is a vector quantity and its direction is from minus Q to plus Q. Okay, next what about electric dipole moment? Electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment, which can be represented by the letter P bar. The electric dipole moment P bar is nothing but of the product of the magnitude of the charge Q into the distance between the two charges is called electric dipole moment, which can be represented by the letter P bar. Electric dipole moment is nothing but of the product of the magnitude of the one of the charges of the dipole and the distance between the two charges is called electric dipole moment. Electric dipole moment is also a vector quantity. Its direction is from minus Q to plus Q. The direction of the electric dipole moment is from minus Q to plus Q. This is about electric dipole moment. Now our aim is to calculate the electric field at a point lies on the axial line of a dipole. Okay, what is meant by axial line? Axial line is nothing but of the line which is passing through the 2 point charges is called axial line. Now consider a point P which lies on a axial line of electric dipole minus Q and plus Q, which are separated by a distance 2L. Here the point C is the center of the dipole. Therefore the distance between the C and A is L and the distance between the C and B is L. Therefore the total distance between the AB is 2L. Okay. Now the point P lies on the electric dipole at a distance R from the center of the dipole. Okay. Now the plus Q is at a distance from the point P is R minus L. In the same way, the distance between the point P and minus Q is given by R plus L. Now our aim is to find out the electric field due to minus Q and plus Q at point P. We are all know that the field lines are due to the plus Q is always diverge from it like this. For negative charge, the field lines are converges into it. That means the electric field lines are acts towards the negative charge. Due to the negative charge, the electric field lines are away from the positive charge. Okay. Now at point P, the electric field due to plus Q is away from the positive charge, that can be represented by the letter E plus Q, and the electric field at P due to minus Q is acts towards the negative charge. That's why it acts towards the PB. I mean towards the negative charge. It can be represented by the letter E minus Q. We are all know that the electric field due to a point charge, that is given by the expression. The expression is given by the electric field due to a point charge equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q by R square. From this expression, we can calculate the E minus Q and E plus Q. The electric field due to plus Q is given by the 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by, what is the distance between the plus Q and point P? That is R minus L. That's why R minus L whole square. In this similar manner, the electric field due to minus Q is given by the 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by minus Q by, what is the distance between the minus Q and P? That is R plus L. So R plus L whole square. Therefore, the net field at point P is given by the capital equal to E plus Q plus E minus Q. Therefore, capital equal to the field due to plus Q is given by the 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R minus L whole square minus, why? Because there is a minus sign. Therefore, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by R plus L whole square. From this expression, equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is common. Therefore, Q by 4 pi epsilon naught common. Therefore, we get the 1 by R minus L whole square minus 1 by R plus L whole square. Let us do the LCM for that fractions. We get the Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into, the LCM is R minus L whole square R plus L into R plus L whole square. Therefore, we get the LCM as R minus L whole square, R minus L whole square. Remaining thing is R plus L whole square minus R plus L whole square, R plus L whole square. The remaining thing is R minus L whole square Therefore, electric field E equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into A plus B whole square. It is in the form of A plus B whole square. So, A square plus B square plus 2LB minus here A minus B whole square. Now I multiply with minus. Therefore, we get the minus R square minus L square plus 2RL divided by R minus L whole square into R plus L whole square. So R square get cancelled, L square get cancelled. The remaining thing is E equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into 2RL plus 2RL becomes 4RL divided by, I can rearrange the denominator as R minus L into R plus L whole square. I can get the therefore E equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q 4RL by, which is in the form of A plus B into A minus B. That means A square minus B square. Therefore, R square minus L square whole square. Therefore, the net electric field equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into I can rearrange the 4RL as 2L into 2R divided by R square minus L square whole square. Okay. As R is very much greater than L, we neglect the L value in the denominator. In the denominator, we get the E equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught into 2L into 2R divided by, we put the 0 in the place of L, we get the R power 4. So R get cancelled. The remaining thing is 3. Therefore, the remaining thing is E equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught 2L into 2 divided by R cube. Therefore, E equal to Q into 2L into 2 by 4 pi epsilon naught R cube. Therefore, electric field equal to Q into 2L is the dipole moment. Therefore, 2p bar by 4 pi epsilon naught R cube, which is the expression for the total electric field at a point P, which lies on the electric dipole. This is about electric field at a point lies on the electric dipole. We get the final expression as E bar equal to 2p bar minus 2p bar divided by 4 pi epsilon naught R cube.